today we will present you what have we decorated in our class.
Okay, just 5 minutes to explain about the class. Okay, 5 minutes.
My name is Fadila Yusra and my partner name is Yasmina Hilwa. Today we want to show you what we have decorated in our class. Our theme is broad knowledge. The reason why we choose broad knowledge is first because broad knowledge is the third motto of ALMANAR Islamic Boarding School, and second, broad knowledge. People who have broad knowledge in their life, they can explore all things around the world. And the third is, without broad knowledge, we can decorate this class as beautiful as now. Okay, and so we'll explain you one by one what we have decorated in our class. Okay. Toyib walan ala jidar alakna adiyah qabla dirasah wa adiyah ba'da dirasah linuzakirna daiman wala nansana qiraati du'a. Wa baina yasiruha as-sa'a wa yaminuha lafzullahi wa rasul. And we have put a clock in the middle of the class. Why we call this clock is destiny clock? Why we call this clock destiny clock? Because we have put our proud logo in the middle of it. This logo we have made it by ourselves. We created, and this is a premium clock. You won't get it in any place than this class. And every second, every minute, every hours that we have in this time, several 6 years, is all the moments that we have. Is the very important moment that we ever had. Okay, let's move here. It is science corner. We have a galaxy, planet, and inside the sun we have put a parallel lights that can shine the sun exactly. Okay, look at here. Okay. This may shine very. This can shine very bright in the dark, but maybe we can take a look at anytime in the dark. And so we have a cube, a square cube that fits biology lessons from junior high school to senior high school. And there we have. And there. This is a window of history about Muslim. Let's look behind this window. Ya, jadi di sini kami menempel tentang sejarah-sejarawan Muslim. Jadi di sini ada beberapa sejarawan Muslim seperti Ibnu Sina, Muhammad Al-Idrisi, Al-Khawarizmi, B.J. Habibie, Al-Kindi, Al-Ghazali, Al-Hasan, Al-Farabi, dan lainnya. Mereka adalah tokoh-tokoh yang sangat penting dari sejarah-sejarah. Seperti Bapak B.J. Habibie yang sangat terkenal di kalangan anak Indonesia. Dia adalah penemu pesawat dan dia juga motivator terbaik bagi anak Indonesia. Okay, so over here. This is a flying notes. See how the notes flies out over the box. It means that we have to look for knowledge not just in this place. We must to go outside to reach more and more knowledge, not just in this place. And here we have our destiny gallery. All of our memories we stick here from junior high school until senior high school. All of those memories are here, and the top of the picture is our destiny family's picture.
Okay. 1 minute again.
Bilang aja sudah.
Time finish after 1 minute.
Dan ini adalah referensi bagi kami. kami membuat kamus, ini dari kamus, kamus-kamus yang sudah tidak terpakai lagi, yang sudah terbuang, dan komik-komik juga yang sudah tidak terpakai lagi. Jadi kami membuat seperti ini dan dimuseumkan menjadi souvenir kelas 6C. We can also have take a picture because this is a beautiful spot to have a nice picture. Okay, this we have board information. We use Italy language and Spanish in the schedule because both of this country have a historical building that fits in these colors, black and brown. Black and brown that match with our colors that we choose for our class. And in our information board, we have put calendar. It's all about Dexinity Savable. And you, if you want to know more about Dexinity Savable, you can follow or open our sosmed in Instagram Dexinity Media or our TikTok Dexinity Media. Yeah, don't forget to follow and like and share. Okay. Thanks for your kindness to come here, for your opportunity and your time. Terima kasih karena telah meluangkan waktunya untuk melihat kelas kami dan untuk menilai kelas kami. Dan ini adalah semua kerja keras dan hasil semangat kami yang sangat luar biasa. Dan tentunya ini adalah semua hasil bimbingan dari Ustazah Saudah MPD. Karena beliau adalah wali kelas yang saya tidak bisa memberikan kata-kata karena beliau sangat banyak sekali telah berkorban untuk Dexinity Savable dan Ustazah Saudah sekarang tidak ada di sisi kami. Sebenarnya ini semua bimbingan dan tuntunan dari Ustazah Saudah. Jujur kami sangat sedih karena Ustazah Saudah tidak ada di samping kami, karena Ustazah Saudah bukan hanya setahun menjadi wali kelas kami, tapi 4 tahun itu it's not a short time, but it's a long time. We have, dan kami sama Saudah itu dari kelas 3, dari kami sebelum kami sebelum kami senior high school, dan kami sudah dibimbing dari Ustazah Saudah apapun agenda, dan dari kepanitiaan kami, kepanitiaan yang udah kami lakukan dalam acara itu pasti ada bimbingannya dari Ustazah Saudah.
Sekarang lagi musibah ya?
Iya, Ustaz. Iya, Ustaz. Jadi beliau adalah wali kelas yang sangat baik, karena kami semua tidak bisa mendeskripsikan beliau dengan kata-kata. Okay, thank you. Yeah. Thank you. This is for us. Wabillahi taufiq wal hidayah. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Presentasi. Boleh mungkin keliling Ustaz, karena presentasinya keliling.
Oke.
Here we start with doa over here and over there. We choose Allahumma fatihna fid dini wa alimna ta'wil. That is Rasulullah doa for Ibnu Abbas. So if you want to know information more, it's available here. And we choose two best scientists of Islam. They are Ibnu Sina, as well known as Avicenna. He is philosopher physician, and Ibnu Rus, as well known as Averroes. He is jurist.
Next.
Okay. This is our lovely name. The name is Invisible, and the meaning is definitely relaxed in reality with serenity and proper judgment. We enforce in hadith and we also take it in Al-Quran is okay, and so is to get your book, but knowledge is it in your heart and mind. Okay, now we are going to this section.
This is the best and lovely stuff to build this home. Consists of 18 people. And here is our life, our story, and our goal. Then we move to the capture of our little moment but big memories. And maybe some call it chaos, but we call it family. Because every picture is tell a story.
Good. Yeah.
Okay, now we move to name of prophet. Do not forget the struggle of noble people bring us to the right education. Have present 25 prophet from Adam alaihissalam to Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. We the best icon of their story and journey.
Yeah. Excellent. Okay.
So now we move to life. Biology is a lesson make us more understand and grateful for every second time we have in our life. There are plants and animals with some of the biology term of animals, such as ant, Formicidae, grasshopper, Califera, ladybug, Coleoptera, and so on.
Right.
So then I will explain the scientists famous in this work. The knowledge we have learned and gain apart from the scientists, so that we present some of picture scientists in scientists to reminisce their struggle and love of education, such as Ibnu al-Haytham is a scientist of astronomer and mathematics. Marco Polo is a scientist of medicine and explorer. Ibn Khaldun is a scientist of
Society. Anthropology.
and
Social.
and so on. Therefore, here we stick our dreams as we hope to make it true in our real life. Thank you. So
Right.
next.
Okay, next.
Okay, now I have the miniature part of body. Before we open this, the first we can see the brain, the table, full body. Let's we open the rib. The rib is our organ. And the first we can see the lungs and the heart, liver, stomach, spleen, kidney, colon, small intestine, and the bladder. With this miniature, much help us to believe of the greatness from Allah.
Now we are moving to chemistry. This illustrate drawing of the table element. This table element exist in our life, such as NaCl, such well known as salt.
Okay, last one.
Okay, finish.
Okay, last one.
And
Terima kasih, syukran, thank you, merci, danke.
Our motto is paying education, paying free.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
My name is Maura Lydia Rizkina. I will present the results from our class decorating. So here we use minimalist and vintage them. namely with vintage, with minimalist items and vintage color. We choose minimalist and vintage colors because as we see in our class, we use very simple item, and here we have a reading corner, we have the floral decorating, we have world map, and we have our memory from class 1 until class 5, and we have word of motivation, and there is a scientist from Islam, and we have a meeting too for we put our note and our agenda today and tomorrow. And we think vintage colors will provide our classic room atmosphere. So with the addition decorative elements to tend be beautiful and minimalist item will depict simplicity and comfortable for study room. And we deliberately do not use flashing color for make a comfortable for viewing and while studying. Thank you.
Okay, very good.
Good job. Last 5. D. 3 minutes, ya. 3 minutes.
Okay, start.
طيب في هذا الفرصة الشريف سنقدم عن هذا الموضوع فهي الفراشة. نختار هذا الموضوع لأن الفراشة تمثل عملية الحياة الإنسان بأنه قبل أن يتحول إلى فراشة تكون البيت ثم اليرقانة والعذارة ثم تصبح الفراشة.
I want to describe about this philosophy of butterfly. Philosophy of butterfly describe a process that's not easy and instant. The philosophy of butterfly, it start from egg and to be a larvae, and so to be a pupa, and finally be a butterfly.
ولا نعرف بهذا الحيوان بجماله فحسب ونعرف أيضا أن هذا حيوان تمثل الحياة الإنسان فهي.
We cannot always look the butterfly by its beauty, but we must know that butterfly has the symbol of human life and struggle, and that is
الأول إذن لا نتغير فلن يتغير شيئا.
And the first is if we don't change, nothing will change.
والثاني فلسفة الفراشة تمثل الحرية.
The second is the butterfly philosophy symbolizes the life and struggle.
وفلسفة الفراشة تمثل لصراع الحياة.
And the third is the butterfly philosophy symbolizes the freedom.
والآخر الفراشة تعلمنا لنصبر دائما.
And the last is the butterfly teach us to always be patient.
Mungkin fakat hadza minna wabillahi taufiq wal hidayah. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Ya, butterfly.
Okay. Take picture. Mana? Silakan. Saya nampak. Nampak semua tak? Nampak lagi?
Ntar
Oh ya, ini.
ambil dikit.
Oh,
Oke, yuk. Siapa yang presentasi, Ustazah? Oke. 3 menit.
3 menit.
3 menit. Lewat 3 menit, kurang nilai. Sudah bisa duduk ya?
Ya. Oke. Start.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, we are welcome to our class. We are from class 4D. So in this beautiful morning, we want to tell you about
the theme, meaning, and ornament in this class.
Yay!
So the theme is the dreamer
In the world.
So now we can see it here. Here is the symbol of our dream. There is
A doctor, a policewoman, academic of forensic, psychologist, architecture, designer, and each other.
so beside this is reading corner.
Yay! Oops, what is that?
Okay, everyone. Now I want to tell you what is this. So this is an art from an initiative of our class. We make this is house. The theme is magic house. There is a house, park, chair, and car, and also there is broom.
Broom magic. Okay.
Now let me see on the space.
So there is a beautiful ornament and quotes. So have importantly is a map of the world. Let me see there. Is there a map of the world?
Okay.
Okay. So
Maybe
1 minute saja.
okay.
you tell about three.
So
So what is the philosophy of this ornament?
the philosophy of that ornament is every we see in that ornament is we feels like it's so fantastic. It's
Like
unique,
elegant.
Like elegant.
What fantastic.
Like magic.
We cannot see. Sometimes bottom up, and sometimes up to bottom. It's mean what? Huh? It's mean what?
It's mean
Grassy.
That
creativitas
from us.
creativitas from us.
Sometimes we feel like that, and sometimes we feel like this, right?
Yeah, and we enter to this class and we
Because of that,
see.
we back to doa. Okay, finish?
Yes.
Okay, good.
Okay, this is the last from us.
See you next time. Wabillahi taufiq wal hidayah.
Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Where is? Now.
Oke.